discover one of the third largest oceans in the world. Body of water between Southern Ocean, Asia, Australia, and Africa. There are turtles, phytoplankton, fish, shrimp, tuna, dugong, seals, whales, venomous sea snakes, 13 species of sharks, moray eels, and tropical fish. Up in the Indian Ocean, there are many monsoons, and the temperature tends to be very mild and hot due to the nearness of the equator.
It's 2012. Higher sulfur levels in the water. They're unbearable. And oxygen levels. There's no oxygen.
This just in. We have a way to actually stop this problem and save the Indian Ocean. How, you may ask? Well, all these plants produce oxygen. So we're going to make the plants will create a lot of plants, so that way a lot of oxygen is produced, and so that animals are able to survive in the ocean.
Natural selection for certain plants and animals will be a big part of the future society. For a plant or animal to be resistant to sulfur levels and low oxygen levels, it will be able to live much better in the future ecosystem.
Another way these animals can adapt to their environment is by actually going onto land and growing legs and becoming more land friendly, so that way they are able to exit the level of sulfur in the ocean.
Also, sulfur-eating fungi will thrive in the ecosystem because of the high sulfur levels, lowering the sulfur levels after many years and maybe making them habitable again in the future.